21 सवाल, हर सवाल पर बंदी है गांठ। आओ खोलें इन गांठों को।
Is the world changing? That's why.
Sir, education means that you have complete knowledge about who you are and you know how to go at global standards and speak over there. You should know that actually what skills are needed in life and you have to be complete in yourself.
Life skills will help us in making decisions.
We all are living in a competitive world. We all know that. And scoring 100%, there could be 10 people scoring 100%. What makes us different from other same scorers? That's what life skills teaches us.
In life skills is we get to know, okay, this is happening. Now, how can you deal with it? All the problems faced by you, you can arrange them in your mind. I will do this first, then that, and then everything will be.
Class 10, it was when we faced the want and the need to make decisions in our life. There were academic decisions, there were social decisions, and life at school and family wasn't that easy.
Every person is different, every student is different, every student has special skills. So the school and the teachers need to make sure that these special skills are, developed in the students.
So we must wake up. We must use this media. We must see, not look. Listen, not hear. And speak to make a difference.
Listen, I'm very confused. I have a lot of challenges. My body is going through a lot of changes. So it's very difficult for me to think what is right or wrong.
People today have stopped looking at their health as one of the priorities of life. Nobody is aware that health is one of the most major components of today's society. We should not forget that health is wealth.
Responsibility towards our environment. Now we are depriving our environment of a better future. We're actually, killing the environment as we lack self-awareness.
For instance, if I am here talking about a chemistry chapter and explaining boring stuff to all of you, nobody will be interested. But if I start giving you some practical examples, all of you will be interested. So that is also life skills, including the project or the practical based learning.
More than 66% of today's children have no voice, no hope, and are helplessly floundering. Child rights encompasses everything from protection from abuse to the very basic right to education. Every sphere of this multicolored world is played by the monster that is child abuse.
CBSE has introduced life skills education as an integral part of the curriculum to empower the effective domain of the learners so that they are able to develop a sense of self-confidence.
They matter a lot, but they matter till the point you reach to a particular profession. But after that, doing well there depends a lot on your life skills.
We have 183 schools participating in this. I wish to thank all the principals who have sent their teachers and students here, and hope that the next 3 days will be full of a lot of exciting activities and a great learning experience.
I'm going through a hard time. I sit in my room most of the time. There is no point in being angry at everyone when you are just going to be out 10. I start to cry and I know it's time for me to squeeze by. I forgot so easy about what really matters. Now everything is a bit of a splatter. I feel like I'm upside down and I just frown. I wish it just wouldn't exist. Can someone help me, or can I just flee?
Do we plant trees? Because they are friends. And they give us a lot of things.
Oxygen, wood,
Fruit.
shadow. We can climb.
We love trees.
Those barren lands, those flooded cities, those receding water bodies were Earth's indicators of the forthcoming storm.
They'll try to find a new home on any one of the planets left.
Yes, yes. Let's destroy those cannibalistic creatures. Let's contact the asteroid belt now.
Wait, you cannot destroy the human race. They are just being misled by greed. All we need to do is to encourage them to take the green path.
Don't look at me with the disbelief. I might be different, but I follow my dreams. I can't foresee what no normal can.
अरे अब समझ में आया, ये सबला स्कीम तो बड़े काम की चीज है
और ये आंगनबाड़ी में भी बहुत कुछ सिखलाते हैं
और इसके लिए तो माँ बापू भी ना मना कर पावेंगे।